update on the acorns that I planted earlier, and I'll get out, the grapes are right there, so I'll get out there and give you an update on that as well. Most of them are doing really nice. It looks like they're all going to be either red oak or black oak. Ooh, with the possibility of that one being different, but maybe not. Yeah, it looks pretty spiky down there. So it's not likely I have any white oaks in here. But if they're not white, hopefully they're black oak. So the acorns are doing pretty damn well. And here is the bag where the ones that weren't sprouted went. So I do have more there. It's getting awful late in the spring to start those though. But maybe if I have all black oak in the other group, I might really want to. So here is the cuttings, the grapevine cuttings. They're doing fantastic. Really the trick with these damn things is to not overwater them. Let them get pretty damn dry before you water them again. Not only does that stress them a bit and help them to form a decent cuticle, but they don't take up nutrients well when they're really wet, especially in alkaline soil, which this is made up of peat and gravel, so it might be neutral, but it might be a little alkaline. I also added some micronutrients and some weak fertilizer to it a couple waterings ago, so I mean some of them are pretty crappy looking, just a couple though, and a couple have a few bad leaves, which I will likely just pull off. But the rest are starting to vine, like this one. So they need to get in the ground real soon. While I'm out whacking today, I have to whack a little bit more in row F, which these will go into, and do a touch more spraying. And then these will have to go in next week. After this rain, there should be a little bit of rain tonight. Hopefully I can get the stakes in. Once the stakes are in, these can go in. They can actually be in there for years without a trellis, as I've already done, but it's not a good idea. I will be getting the trellis in though this year. I have the posts right there. They're special order, 10 foot long. 5-inch by 10 foot long. So I actually just need the standard 4-inch by 8 foot cross members, the horizontal members for them, which are a standard post at Menards. And I have the big auger, so yeah, this place has gotten to be a mess again. Just rush, and no time for cleaning. And this project, it'll be on a different film, but this is going on today as well. Gonna take that sump cover, well, I'm gonna drain the oil, take the sump cover off, clean everything up, and use a combination of Permatex Black, Ultra Black, and the rubber gasket in my third and final try to get the oil to stop leaking. If that doesn't work, then I need to find a new oil pan on eBay. I would hate to fail 3 times and have to buy an oil pan, but it is what it is. So look for those videos, and soon there will be a lot of work in the vineyard. So if you like gardening stuff, or if you're into vineyards and and winemaking and all that, check out some of the other videos. Thanks for stopping by, and remember to subscribe.